Assalamualaikum, good morning. Are you hearing me, students? Please reply in the chat box. Okay, very good of you, Nurul. Welcome you all here for the new session. Lujan, Arisha, Hamza, very nice of you are here on time. Fozia. You are all welcome here for the new session. Walaikum assalam, all of you. Okay, you can open your cameras. I want to see you all. Okay, now I want to give you today some orientation points. That means about some introduction of your English syllabus and some general rules I want to discuss today, so that when I will continue the classes, then you will know everything about the classes and you can easily understand everything. So I want to discuss some points today. Walaikum assalam, all of you, you are writing assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. I am just giving you time to join my class today. You know that after some time, I will start my today's orientation points here during the lecture. Now I am starting it. Okay. Some of you are still coming, so I want to wait for 2 minutes more. I hope you all are doing good. You are well. You are enjoying in your homes. Now it is the beginning of the session. So you should work very hard for the new session. I hope you all are listening me clearly. Any one of you who is not listening me, please don't disturb the class. Your name is on the screen. So please don't try to disturb the class. If you are not interested, please leave the class. Okay? It is not a good way to start a new session. Okay, very nice of you. You are listening me very clearly. So I am starting here. This is class 9. So you all know me very well. I'm Mr. Safeen Imran. I have already taught you previously. First of all, I want to welcome you all here in the new session for the grade 9. Now you are in the grade 9 and you have all passed grade 8. So welcome you here. I want to give you a welcome note. This is a welcome note for you all. Dear students, I want to share some points with you here. You are welcome to grade 9, Zoom and Google Classroom for the session 2021 and 2022. You can also read it as 2021, 2022. Now you all know that when we are taking the online classes, you should be aware of Zoom and you should be aware of Google Classroom as well, so that you will follow all the instructions as well as you will get all the information from there. Okay. I hope you will attend the classes regularly. I want all of you to come and join me in each and every class so that you will not miss any of the point we will discuss during the whole session. And I also want you that you will give me full concentration here and watch all videos of the lectures that will be posted here. You all know that when we are giving the lecture, we are posting the videos on the YouTube channel. So, or you can get those videos from the Google Classroom. Some of you are disturbing the class. This is not good. Please don't make the lines on the screen because your name is here. I will inform the principal about this behavior that is not nice. So please don't disturb the class. If you are not interested, leave the class. Now, then I'm giving you my own introduction here. You all know me very well, but some of you, if you are new here, then I want to give me my brief introduction. My name is Mrs. Afshin Imran. You all know me very well. I'm your English teacher here. I hope you are listening me. Are you listening me or not? Please inform me again. Nabia, check your net connection, please. Okay. Because other people are saying that they are listening me properly. Okay. So I will teach you English literature as well as English language, both topics, and I will help and guide you to understand all concepts and solve your queries. Queries means your problems, your questions, whatever you want to ask me, you are allowed to ask. I will give you time after each and every lecture. Then you can ask me questions about the lecture, about your problem. You can ask me anything. I hope you will cooperate during the session. I want your full cooperation and your full concentration during the whole session, as well as I want you to be regular and punctual. Now I want to give you introduction about your English syllabus, English books. Some people are still joining me and they are very late in the class. Please, from next class, you should be there on time. So I want to tell you about orientation. Orientation is actually a new word for you, or you can say that the simple word is introduction. Orientation is the introduction of new course of English literature and language for grade 9 for the session 2021 and 2022. Actually, this lecture is about the introduction of the syllabus of English literature as well as English language. First of all, I want to discuss about the book, textbook and notebook of English literature which you will use for the session. The textbook is Secondary Stage English, book 1 for class 9, and it is from Sin Textbook Board. It is easily available in the market. So please, during this week, go to the market and buy this book because from Monday, when there will be physical classes, then you should be having your textbook with you. Okay. And there is a notebook for noting down the lectures as well as the question answers or whatever you are doing with your in your English course. This will be single line journal. Okay, journal. I want to discuss one more thing, that there are some students who are late for the very first class. It is not good thing. You should be there on time. Actually, there is a net problem. I understand this. I want to uh, do some uh, thing to solve this problem. I'm still trying, and please, you should be here to continue that lecture. Now, I was discussing about the book, that ninth class English book is available in the market. So please purchase that book before Monday, and there will be a notebook or journal, single line journal. So you should be having that. Okay. Now there will be two sections in English literature book, prose section as well as poetry section. Some poetries are also given in the book, but not under the heading of poetry, but they are added in the syllabus. So prose means the written part of the English literature book, and we will do words meanings from those lessons, word sentences, question answers, objectives, and we will do the summary of the lessons. Okay, or it may be possible that I will give you some paragraphs to do the summary. Okay, not for the whole lesson, but it will be included in your steps. Now for the poetry section, there are some poetries in the book. So, or you can say poems. We will discuss about the poet's introduction, the poet who has written the poems, and we will discuss the words meanings, question answers, objectives, central idea, or which can also be said like message of the poem. Now remember this, objectives means different things. That means fill in the blanks, true, false, as well as MCQs, that means multiple choice questions. So all of these are included in the objective portion. So please don't think that objectives means only the MCQs. There are fill in the blanks and true false which are included in the objective portion. Now I want to discuss about English language. English language textbook. Actually, there is no proper textbook used for ninth grade for English language. You can take any reference book which will be having all the topics which I will discuss after. There will be a notebook for English language also. It will be a single line journal. Okay, like English literature, it is also a single line journal. And remember, when we are doing the work, you have to maintain the index very properly. Okay. You have seen the journals before, you have seen the copies. There are index pages at the front side of the copies or the journals, or at the back side also. So you should have to maintain them very properly date-wise. Now I want to discuss some of the topics which we will discuss in English language syllabus. Parts of speech. You all know that parts of speech is the basic thing. So you should know everything about parts of speech. Then we have articles, then sentences. These are kinds of sentences you all know very well. Tenses, very important. Voices, then narrations. You all know that we have done many times all the exercises related to these topics.